easy.
Okay, it is now day 2 of Donghae, and we are currently on our way to Cafe Mui, which we stopped at yesterday. But we didn't get to really sit and enjoy the view and have coffee, so that's where we're headed now. And pretty much it's been a slow morning. Matt just found a caterpillar.
It's a cool caterpillar. But he's hungry.
Okay, so this morning was a slow morning where we basically just listened to more records and danced around. We played some cards and got ready to go. So that's pretty much today, and today's just gonna be another beach day. So let's go. But yeah, Airbnb is pretty much just farmland and nothingness. We're hoping this path leads us to town, but we don't actually know.
I know you go like you know me. Let's run away together, go and live by the sea, yeah. I know a place and it's pretty far away. Well, we could leave tomorrow and be there by Saturday. Well, it is pretty simple, but that is all we need. We would have each other and live off the coconut seed. I know you love the ocean and you love the sun. We could take our clothes off and have some fun, and we'll grow old like 2 leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like 2 leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. Shoes and dresses, who needs them when you have your bikini and the clear ocean? And when the sun ain't watching and the moon's out too, we could have some fun in the lagoon, just me and you. Well, we could live happy for the rest of our days. Maybe one day have some kids and teach them our silly ways. Well, they would dance in the moonlight as I play on my guitar, and you can teach them to wish when they see a shooting star. And we'll grow old like 2 leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like 2 leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. We'll grow old like 2 leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand, yeah. We'll grow old like 2 leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand, yeah.
Okay, it started. Okay, we have spent the day at the beach. My hair is still wet, but I'm fresh and clean. And we are now going to dinner at Piano restaurant, and it's another Italian restaurant. We've had a lot of Italian this weekend, but I'm excited to eat because I'm dying of starving. So let's go to